Hey, KNAPP Connectors here. We are out in the wood shop and we wanted to show you our ZIPBOLT connectors for worktops and countertops. We got 4 sizes, the ZIPBOLT 170, 120, 85, and the ZIPBOLT Mini 100, according to the millimeters in length. As opposed to the traditional dog bone connector where you need an open wrench and 2 hands, here we only need 1 hand. That is due to because we have a gear on this part of the connector. Now let me show you and demonstrate how it works. Whole point is to save you time and labor and have a perfect look of your countertops and worktops. Thanks for watching.